Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I'm coming to you today with a video from Coodeals, a company I've worked with for quite a while, and I have some wonderful things to show you here. I have some super cute little paintings here to show you, and I can hardly wait to get into them. So just remember, I will have these paintings linked below so you can find them. And we want to thank Coodeals for letting me pick out a few things to share with you. And let me say welcome. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy your time here, and thank you for spending a few minutes with me. I hope you come back, find more videos you like to watch. And everybody who's returning, welcome back, and thank you so much for spending some time with me today. All right, let's get into it. I've got 3 items here, and I can hardly wait to show them to you. Now, first of all, one of them came with a little free gift, which is some labels, your DMC numbers. It also has letters. I mean, you could do whatever you want with these, I suppose. And they have release paper. This is a release paper. It is one-sided. On the back, it's clear, so you'll know which way to put your release paper down. These are like a half-sheet release paper. If you'd like them smaller, you can cut them, whatever you'd like to do with those. All right? They've been sending that pretty much every time. Okay, are you ready to see these? These are so cute. Okay, they're adorable. So if you know, I've told you before that Coodeals prints your order. Once you order, it's made to order. They print it, they package it, they get it ready for you. Okay, and they're really good. Their shipping time is really not too long. It's pretty good. So here's their toolkit. They have an upgraded toolkit where they give you some multi-placers. They give you the nicer boat. They give you a squishy for your pen. So it's a nicer little toolkit. I love that. And you can tell that this is my painting because look, that's my name. DM, Mindy Dipple, whatever. You know, got it backwards. Now, look at this. Look how adorable that is. Okay, look. Okay. I fell in love with this painting when I saw it. And I have a companion piece. Okay. Now, I found one of them. I don't know if it was this one or the other one. I found in like crystals, full crystal, and I found the other one in regular drills. And I couldn't find like both of them in the same type of drills. So I just messaged and I said, hey, can I get this one and this one? And I got them both in round drills. They're just regular round drills. Okay, but they're not regular round drills because if we look at our legend down here, we have some ZC numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And those are like a fairy dust. So we have some fairy dust in here. We got 38 colors. But look at how stinking adorable that is. Isn't it cute? I just fell in love with that. The little puppy dog and the love. I fell in love with it. Cat's on the table. He's on my blanket I'm working on. Now he's going to jump over here, and who knows what's going to happen to the blanket when he launches off of it. Oh, well, he jumped down very carefully onto the chair. That was nice, but he's coming up here next. See, there he is. Bump. That was him. Yes. He's mad right now because he can't go outside. Yeah, they have to stay in today because we are going away later. And there is no way, get down. There is no way we're going to try to get them in by the time we have to go away later. So they got to stay in, and he's not happy. Oh, he's going to get in the dog treats. No. Sorry, that is not for you. No. Oh my. Here. Have some kitty treats and go be good. Let me just, here. I'm sorry you're having to deal with all of this, everybody, but you know, it's how it goes. There. This is my life. Okay. Anyhow, here is their inventory sheet. You get a sheet. Got some big symbols on it. So there's 2 pages to this inventory sheet. We've got the rest of our symbols back there. But here's the symbols. Now, the one thing they don't have is like a sticker sheet. But I have a Xeron sticker maker. I will cut this out and run it through my sticker maker. And then I'll have stickers for this. Or you can always just number your containers 1 through 38. And then keep this next to you. or, you know, whatever. So there you go. But I love this. I love the colors, of course. Okay, maybe I can continue videotaping here. I was now interrupted by the husband who came in to change a shirt and something. And then I started recording again, and then he came back in again. I'm like, ay, ay, ay. The life of just trying to, you know, do it all. Anyhow, so their drills come pre-bagged, which I love. You can just grab the bags. You can get started. I mean, they have their number on here. They got number 38. They got the DMC code on here. You could just write a symbol on there if you wanted to. I mean, it's up to you. Anyhow, and all the drills, you'll notice, have my initials on them. All of them. Now, they do have, like I said, they have fairy dust in them. Let me show you the fairy dust drills that come with this. And what did we say? There were 5 of them. Right here at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. Okay. They're very pretty. Okay. We have this pretty dusty pink. That's one of the fairy dust. This blue, another dusty kind of colored, dusty blue. Beautiful light purple. A creamy color, yellowy creamy, and then a peach. All right. They do give you like the DMC codes for those. So it's 152, 3841, 554, 712, and 963 is the pink, right? So, I mean, I could go through here and I could try to figure out where they all go. It would take me forever. I got 3 paintings to do. Let's find one. Let's just look for one. Let's look for that pretty purple and see if we can find where the pretty purple goes. It is number 36, and it is the H. So let's see if we can find where that would go. Well, there's a couple right here. Right there, there's a couple. And they're peppered through here. Big patch right here. A nice big patch going up the side there. There's some around the inside of the O. Some in here. Let's see. Some in the flower. Some up the side here. A big patch there around that area there. So you kind of get the point, right? Okay. Okay. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. I think it's adorable. And look at the beautiful colors. Look at all the beautiful colors. Blue, purple, pinks, some greens, lots of blues and purples. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay. So that's the first one. And I think I found this one first. And then I came across this one. I mean, come on, you know, same concept, love, but this one has a cat. I had to have a cat one, right? Don't they go together like perfectly? I mean, you get your dog, you get your cat, they're the same size. I mean, come on. How cute is that, right? That's adorable. You know that's adorable, okay? So, let's see. Let's see how many colors. This one has 38 colors too. And it also has the 5 fairy dust. They're 40 by 40 round drills. Okay. Let's find our fairy dust. Let's look at our colors first. This one's definitely a different color palette. We got blues, browns, lots of blues. We got a few pinky colors for our flowers and stuff, but this one's mainly a blue-based painting, where the other one is purple and pink. All right, let's find our fairy dust. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Yeah, this proves my point right here. Here are our fairy dust. We got this pretty blue right here. That's 3766. We got this one, 3841. We've got a tan. Look at the tan. Nice. We got 3865 as a fairy dust. And we have another blue, 775. So there are 3 blue fairy dusts, a tan, and a cream. That is our selection of fairy dust. All right, let's grab this one. This one seems to have the most. So let's see if we can find where just this color goes. 3841. It is the little a little lowercase a. Let's see if we can find some of those. Where do you think they would be? Well, they're down here. They come around there. They go around the heart. In through here, over here, okay? There's some in the flowers. Some in the flowers. Let's see. Where else? This does have like that printed background with different lines and stuff in it to make things more detailed, is the point of that. More of that here and up here. So a lot of that in that blue background. It's super pretty though. I loved these two. I just couldn't help myself. When I saw those, I was like, okay, both of those, if I can get them in the same type of drill. And I really didn't want rhinestones because I'm kind of just, I don't know, not into diamond painting, rhinestone paintings these days. Full crystals, just, I don't know. All right, let me show you this. Last one, I only got 3. There's our colors. Ooh, different, completely different color palette. Lots of greens and reds. How many fairy dust? This one has 39 colors. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 fairy dust. Look at it. Oh, we're getting sunshine now. Here comes the sun. And there's my shadow. Do, 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 do. Oh, my goodness. Okay. I got this one because of my daughter. Let's move it over there. Let's just put it right in the sun. There we go. Here, have the sun. I got this one because of Shannon, because she loves otters. Loves, loves, loves otters. So, I mean, look, there's 3 little otters there. Here comes an otter now. Oh, my goodness. Shadow puppets. We're going to make shadow puppets. Whee! Oh, goodness. I have not had this more difficult time making a video in a long time. Let's show you. This one's a 40 by 50. This is also round drills. So let's show you the fairy dust. What did I say? There are 4. 1, 2. That should be all 4 right here. Yeah, because you're not a fairy dust. You go back in there. Okay, here's our fairy dust colors. Okay, are you ready? We got this pretty blue. And we got this lighter blue. So this is 3841. This is 775. I don't know what color that is. Oh boy, we got a dark green and we got this light green. All right. So I can only imagine this is going to be probably in the sky and stuff. Let's see. If you knock that down, we're going to fight. Boy, now he's messing with my stuff on the counter, which he's knocked down in the past. Yeah, we got some of that all through the water down here. Some there. Up in the sky here. All through the sky here is where we'll find that blue. You guys. Okay. I'm going to go now. Okay. I've done my best here today. I've tried. I've really tried. Just remember, we have this one. We have that. We have the companion pieces. We have the cat. And we have the dog. And they're all just cuter than cute. It's a very cutesy video today. Very, very cutesy. Cutesy, right? Oh, goodness. Okay, well, that's it, folks. Let me step aside, put you in full sunlight, no shadows, just deal with the cat's back. At least it's not, parts you don't want to see. And thanks for watching this video. I mean, it was kind of a mess, but, sometimes we do what we have to do. Today's one of those days. All right. If you enjoyed this in any way, shape, or form, you could hit the like button. Come back, though. Come back. See more videos because they're definitely not all like this. I mean, there are some like this once in a while if this was enjoyable for you, but just know they're not all like this, okay? All right, we're going to go. Cat's going to nap now right in my space where I'm trying to record. So I guess we're done recording for a while. I guess I'll go work on something else until filming is more appropriate. All right. I will see everybody soon. Bye.